Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to exit full screen mode in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. If you're currently browsing in Google Chrome and your browser is in full screen mode, there are a couple of quick and easy ways to exit and return to the normal view. Both methods are keyboard shortcuts that work instantly, so you don't need to search through any menus or settings. The first and most straightforward method is to simply press the F11 key on your keyboard. This is actually the same key that toggles full screen mode on and off in Chrome. So if you pressed F11 to enter full screen, pressing it again will immediately exit full screen mode and restore your browser to its regular window view. This method works seamlessly and is the quickest way to switch between full screen and normal viewing modes. The second method you can use is to press and hold the S key on your keyboard. This is another simple keyboard shortcut that works particularly well when you want to quickly exit full screen mode. Just hold down the S key for a moment and Chrome will automatically exit full screen and return you to the standard browser window. This method is especially useful if you're already familiar with using the S key to exit other full screen applications or presentations. And that's it. You've successfully exited full screen mode in Google Chrome using either the F11 key or the S key method. Both shortcuts are quick, convenient, and work every time you need to switch back to normal browsing mode. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.